30-day crypto.com challenge, day number 24. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. 76ers Legacy NFT Collection Series, and you have crypto.com all over this. And this looks really good and legendary. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead and continue this challenge. We are day number 24, and we're going to go ahead and buy crypto.com once again today. So let's go ahead and go to crypto.com, coinbase.com, and we're going to convert some more Ethereum over to crypto.com. So let's do $200 once again. I think that's what we did the last time. No, it's $200. I think we did $300 last time. Let's go ahead and convert that over, and we'll go ahead and use this 365. So 365, and we'll use this area here, 199, 0.12, and so we'll use this here because and use a dollar and the cents here. And let's check out the price. The price of crypto.com is 54 cents. So let me just go ahead and type this in, 0.54. Go ahead and format this right here. And who's with me? And congratulations on being with me during this challenge, 30 straight days. Thank you so much, coinbase.com. That's what we're doing right now. So let's go ahead and change the date here. 24. And that's the date here. That's the dates right here. That's just the number of days. The buying challenge, the buying price is right here. The average price is 67 cents, and we're in the book. We got 49.36 in terms of the amount of tokens of crypto.com, and we total paid $32.95. Fees is $74, and crypto.com is $3,220.60. We're in the red in terms of the actually value profit. Actually, no profit. We're in the red, so we're actually down there, but that's only temporarily, and the total value is $2,665. And look at this pay here. Buying price 54 cents. Now check this out here. If you look at all these prices here, I believe, man, if this dig springed up to $1, $2, $3, we getting this on a serious discount. We're definitely doing, not just me, but you are as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let me go ahead and convert this over. Don't forget to I think it's right here. Right there you go, and we'll go ahead and make that okay. All good. Day number 24 in the books. 30-day crypto.com challenge is done. I'll see you on day number 25 on the 30-day challenge. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel.